The next user lifecycle stage that I want to cover is the referral stage. And this is a fairly short video that will show you exactly how they can track how users actually join their Slack community. And the idea is for them, once they've managed to track the amount of signups or requests to join their Slack community, they could essentially tie it back to their referral tactics or strategies. Because if you get your community involved, it will be a great way for you to encourage them to share, the capability or the functions of, or the value of your platform to their friends and families. So you can see there in the account drop-down menu, there's an option to go to community. So if I click on that, you could essentially set up the first tracking on the community link click there in the menu. So if you click on that, it could fire the first event. But I'm looking at tracking the next event, which is if I scroll down on this screen or page, if I scroll, I can even set up event tracking on video plays here if I wanted to. I did not add it to my specific tracking plan here, but it is something that you can create. I think I've created some video. Let me just quickly have a look here. Video play. So you'll see there I have tracked video played as an event. And you can also see there I'm pushing certain values to their platform or analytics platform. Video name, total length, video player, Wistia embed. So you can see here, so they'll gain some insights into, the videos that have been watched by visitors. So just while this is loading again. So this specific event is called Join Slack Community. And I'll quickly show you where it sits on this tracking plan. So it's there. The Join Slack Community is the name of the event. There's a trigger condition. User successfully requested to join Wistia Slack channel. If you get access to this populated example tracking plan, you'll also see a specific video around that event. But this event will fire. There's a form here on this page, lower down, that you need to enter your email address to request to join their Slack channel. And once I've entered my email address here and clicked on that, on successful submission, it will fire an event called Join Slack Community. So this could also help them to identify how many new users joined their community during the last month. They can also determine, is it more new users that join the community, or is it active power users joining the community? And if a user joins the community, how does it influence their behavior within the Wistia platform? And does it even lead to new referrals or signups? So they can tie the activity that happens here, or people that did sign up, they could potentially tie it back to other means or other events within or insights within their analytics platform. So that's basically the referral stage. Use it as an inspiration to grow your own tracking plan, and feel free to reach out to us if you need any guidance on this. Cheers.